Hi, traditionally we call this Rava Billavalga, but it can be called as chapati too. This is Rava Chapatis. Welcome to SPL Kitchen. I'm Mukta Nagaraj showing you Rava Chapatis. To begin, I'm going to boil some water. When the water is boiling, I'm going to add in some salt to taste and few spoons of oil. Water is boiling. I'm going to pour in the rava. And switch off the flame. I'm going to put back the dough into the bowl. I'll allow this to cool and then make it into equal size proportions. I have made this into equal proportions and this is ready to roll. I'm dipping this into the rice flour. This can be rolled like this and stored also in a box so that it can be roasted when required. This can hold good for a couple of hours. Every time you begin to roll, make sure there are no sharp edges so that it cuts there. You keep binding it and roll. When you have guests, this can be done prior to the dinner or to the lunch and can be stored so that just you can roast it and serve hot. Now is the time to roast this. These can be roasted with some oil or can be smeared with some ghee later also. Today I am serving this with some South Indian peas curry. For that recipe, you can see the link below. If you are searching for any traditional recipes, you can put it in the comment section. We can come back with that recipe for you. Rava chapatis with South Indian peas curry.